Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share another complete meal preparation idea. When we say complete, it means that we have the source of our protein, carbs, and of course the sides. So let's start by preparing the chicken first. So we're gonna wash the chicken thoroughly and remove all pockets of fat and other unnecessary stuffs that are in here. Those are garbage. And I wash it again to remove the slimy stuff. I don't know what it's called, but I just don't like it. And I like to make a slit on every piece of the chicken. It makes the chicken more presentable when you put slits in it. Then we're gonna season the chicken with salt, black pepper powder, the grill seasoning, tandoori masala, and chili pepper powder. And I'm adding a little bit of rice wine vinegar because I don't have a lemon juice at the moment. I used to put lemon juice. It removes the poultry smell of the chicken. Adding fresh spices to the chicken will enhance the aroma of the chicken and of course the taste. So fresh garlic and ginger are a good way to go. And so we're gonna toss this and make sure that all the seasoning and spices are very well incorporated. So we're gonna set aside the chicken and let it rest or marinate for at least an hour. Now we are going to prepare the source of carbohydrates. And this is an Asian sweet potato. It has white flesh and purple skin. I like this better for grilling because it does not become smushy or soggy, unlike the orange sweet potato. I normally use the orange sweet potato for baking, and oh, stay tuned for that because I made a sweet potato muffin recently and it will be posted soon. And I'm also going to add some baby potatoes. After cutting the root crops, we're gonna put it under the running water to rinse off the sap. Then we're gonna season this with just salt, black pepper powder, and olive oil. Easy peasy. Give it a toss and transfer it into a lined baking sheet and broil it on high. And now we're gonna arrange the chicken in a broiling pan and broil it together with the potatoes. This is a mixture of olive oil, salt, and chili powder for basting the chicken. Look at this mouth-watering dish. I can't wait, I'm so excited. The oil and salt basting will make the skin of the chicken crunchy and crispy. Broiling cooks the food faster than baking, so we have to be mindful to check it very often. The potato cooks in less than 10 minutes and the chicken 15 minutes or less. And last but not the least, the sides. I always soak the lettuce in a cold water bath after cutting. It makes it crunchier. We're gonna spin the lettuce in a spinner bowl to remove the excess water, and we're gonna do this few times until there is no more water drips. You can use any sides that you want, broccoli, beans, whatever it is. And of course, always present in my salad, cucumber, and tomatoes. And all other extra ingredients that I like to add on. Tricolor bell peppers, avocado, feta cheese, and ham. But of course, you can specialize your salad according to your wants. Look how vibrant this salad is. The dressing is my handy dandy dressing that is made of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper powder. Check the description box below if you want to know how I made this amazing and healthy dressing. Okay, everything is done, and now is the plating. Oops, almost forgot the onion. I don't want to skip the onion because onions are packed with minerals and vitamins, and it gives a different flavor that perfectly blends with the salad. Okay everyone, here it is, and the moment I've been waiting for, because while I was cooking it, my mouth has been watering and I just cannot wait to put that in my belly. So now let's go and do it. The chicken looks so delicious. Let's go see. Oh my god, it's so delicious. It's very soft. Yeah, you gotta try this, my friend. And let me try the salad. This salad is awesome. The dressing, the avocado, perfect. And here, sweet potato. Okay everyone, I'm gonna sign off, and I hope that you do like this video. If you do, please do give me some thumbs up, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.